Decorex is the epitome of exhibitions within the UK. It's one that if you speak to a designer and ask what shows you're doing this year, they always make sure to come to Decorex.
I think it's a very prestigious event, and we want to showcase the best of our designs and to have repeat customers who want to come and see us.
This is Heirloom's 20th year exhibiting at Decorex, and it's always a busy show. It's a good show for us.
You know, obviously a really great show for connecting with interior designers, which is obviously the audience that we're trying to drive awareness of our brand with. So that's predominantly the reason for selecting this show.
We've been coming for 25 years because it is important for us to have annual contact with our clients. They know that they can come here year on year. They know that we're going to be here.
We have a fairly specific interior design based market because it's a very bespoke product. So we're particularly looking for high-end interior designers or boutique hotels, and this is the show where we find them.
We use it as a platform to launch new products as well.
We're really happy with our stand. It's a great location, and the feedback's been incredible.
So for us, Decorex is a great market, and a show that we really want to invest in. Yes.
So if you're a manufacturer, good quality product, then I think this is a good show to be at. It's the only interior show we actually do.